He eats some. He eats a lot.
Hi, I'm Bernadette and welcome back to teachersinbox.com. If this is your first time, please consider clicking the subscribe button or the bell notification for more video updates. Last video, I demonstrated to you the blending of these sounds, the a, the and the s sound. This time, I'm going to show to you how to teach the r sound using the 6 easy steps with hand gestures followed by the blending of sounds. Let's get started! In teaching the sounds, there are 2 hand gestures that you must consider. Touching, which means keep on producing the sound as long as you touch the sound. Second, removing of your hand, which means you have to stop producing the sound. Let me show you. What sound? R. Again. R. That's it. Now, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to teach the R sound using the 6 easy steps with the hand gesture. Let's get started. We are going to learn a new sound. This sound is R. Again. R. Again. R. Say the sound with me. Get ready. Begin. R. Say the sound with me. R. Again. Say the sound with me. R. This time, all by yourselves. What sound? Again. What sound? Again. What sound? Very good. Now tell me, is this R? That's right. What sound? Good. It's mm. Again, what sound? Very good. Is this R? Yes. It's not R. What sound? Very good. Again, what sound? Good job. Is this R? Yes, it's not R. What sound? Very good. Is this R? Yes, it's R. What sound? Very good. Again, what sound? Now let's do singing. Are you R? Are you R? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Are you R? Are you R? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Are you R? Are you R? No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Are you R? Are you R? No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Are you R? 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 Are you? Are you? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Are you? Are you? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Now, let's try to blend the R and the E sounds. In blending the sounds, there are 3 hand gestures that we are going to consider. Touch, slide, and straight line. As an example, ra, ra. Simple as that. Now, I'm going to demonstrate to you. What sound? What sound? Sound out, get ready, begin. Say the word ra. What word? Ra. Now I'm going to demonstrate to you how to teach blending of sounds using the 6 easy steps with the hand gesture. Let's get started. We are going to learn blending. Now tell me, what sound? What sound? Now listen. Sound out, get ready, begin. Ra. Say the word ra. What word? Ra. Again, listen. Ra. Say the word ra. What word? Ra. This time, say it with me. Get ready? What sound? What sound? Sound out, get ready, begin. Ra. Say the word ra. What word? Ra. One more time. Say it with me. What sound? What sound? Sound out, get ready, begin. Ra. Say the word ra. What word? Ra. All by yourselves. What sound? What sound? Sound out, get ready, begin. Say the word. What word? Good. Is this ra? No. Is this ra? Yes. What word? What word? That's right. What sound? What sound? What sound? Sound out, get ready, begin. Say the word. What word? Is this ra? No, that's right. Is this ra? Yes. What word? Ra. Are you ra? Are you ra? Are you ra? Are you ra? Are you? Are you? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Are you? Are you? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Are you ra? Are you ra? Are you ra? Are you ready? Are you? No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Are you? Are you? No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Let's blend. What sound? That's right. What sound? What sound? Sound out, get ready, begin. Ram. Say the word. Ram. What word? Ram. Very good. After this demonstration, you will see the actual application of the 6 easy steps in teaching children how to produce and blend the sounds. Okay, ready? We are going to learn a new sound. Now listen. This sound is R. Again. R. This time, say it with me. What sound? R. Again, what sound? R. Very good. Now all by yourselves. What sound? Good job. One more time. All by yourselves. What sound? Great. Is this R?
No.
Is this R?
No.
Is this R?
Yes.
What sound? That's right. Is this R?
No.
What sound?
Mm.
Good job. Is this R?
No.
What sound? Good. Is this R?
No.
What sound? That's right. Are you R? Are you R? Yes,
I am. Yes, I am.
are you R? Are you R?
Yes,
I am.
Yes, I am.
Are you R?
Are you?
R?
No,
I'm not. No, I'm not. Are you R? Are you R? No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Are you R? Are you R?
no,
I'm not.
no,
I'm not. Are you R? Are you R? No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Are you R?
are you? Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Are you R? Are you R? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Very good. We are going to learn blending. Before that, we are going to review the sound. What sound? That's right. What sound? Listen. We are going to do blending. Ra. Say the word ra. What word? Ra. This time, say it with me. Sound out. Get ready. Begin. Ra. Say the word ra. What word? Ra. Very good. One more time. Say it with me. Ra. Say the word ra. What word? Ra. All by yourselves. Sound out, get ready, begin.
Ra.
That's again.
Rat.
Say the word.
Rat.
What word?
Rat.
That's right. Is this red?
No.
No. Is this red?
Yes.
What word?
Rat.
Say the word.
Rat.
Very good. Are you red? Are you red?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Are you red?
Are you red?
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Okay. What sound? Very good. One more time. What sound? What sound? What sound? Sound out. Get ready. Begin.
Ran.
Say the word.
Ran.
What word?
Ran.
Are you red? Are you red?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Are you red? Are you red? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Are you red? Are you red?
No, I'm not.
No, I'm not. Are you red? Are you red? No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Very good. Thank you for watching the video. For Mrs. Kyoko Tomita of IEC English School in Hamamatsu, thank you for believing in my teaching advocacy. I hope you have learned something today, and please don't forget to apply this to your own children, to your own students, and please don't forget to subscribe.